Welcome back to Natural Earth Living, where we journey into the wild to rediscover Earth's forgotten foods and natural wonders. Today, we're unearthing a true springtime treasure, something small, magical, and deeply rooted in Indigenous tradition. Meet the fairy potato. Fairy potatoes are the edible tubers of Claytonia, Virginica, commonly called spring beauty. These delicate wildflowers bloom in early spring across the woodlands of North America, often among the very first signs of the season awakening. Below the surface of their pink-veined blossoms lies a surprise. A tiny, starchy tuber about the size of a marble with a nutty, mildly sweet flavor. To those who know, they're like buried treasure. To others, they're hidden in plain sight. Long before foraging became a trend, Indigenous communities across the eastern United States valued spring beauty for both food and tradition. The Cherokee, Iroquois, and other nations gathered these tubers in early spring as a nutrient-rich staple after a long winter. They were eaten raw, roasted over fires, or boiled into stews. Some even believed that fairy potatoes, being so small and yet sustaining, carried symbolic power, connecting the Earth's hidden abundance to human resilience. If you're heading into the woods to search for fairy potatoes, here's how to do it ethically and accurately. Look for Claytonia virginica in moist, rich woodland soil. The plant has grass-like paired leaves and small star-shaped white to pink flowers with dark pink veins. Tubers grow shallowly, often just an inch or two below the soil. Always use your hands or a small wooden tool. Avoid digging deeply, and never harvest more than one tuber per cluster. Because spring beauty is a slow-growing perennial, harvesting too many can impact the local ecosystem. Practice mindful foraging. Take only what you'll eat and leave the rest to flower, seed, and feed the forest. Now to the best part, tasting them. Fairy potatoes are versatile and easy to cook. Here are a few simple ideas. Boiled with salt and wild herbs like ramps or nettles. Pan roasted in a cast iron skillet with a little wild garlic. Tossed into soups for a sweet, nutty flavor boost. They have a texture similar to fingerling potatoes, but with a unique sweetness. Some say like chestnuts or even jicama. Fairy potatoes are more than a forager's snack. They're vital to forest ecosystems. Their early blooms provide nectar for bees and pollinators just waking up from winter, making them a key part of spring biodiversity. By understanding and respecting these plants, we not only nourish ourselves, we support the intricate web of life they belong to. So, the next time you see a patch of spring beauty blooming beneath your feet, pause for a moment. There may be magic and a meal just below the surface. Thank you for joining us on this wild journey. If you loved this glimpse into nature's pantry, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural living stories, and share with a friend who loves foraging. Stay curious, stay grounded, stay wild.